Is your sound feeling dull and boring? Do you need help getting the most out of the sounds in your scenes? Are your films more Deadwood than Hollywood? Hi, I'm Simon Sound, and today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your film with Creative Sound. Following Creative Sound's 4 easy steps to success, you're guaranteed a blockbuster film.
Creative sound is all you need. Creative sound, do as you please.
Use of music. Music can be vital in your film. Music can create a help atmosphere for your setting, strike an emotional chord in your story, and leave your audience wanting more. Incorporating music into your film can help the audience connect with your characters in their situation. Horror movies use music to create suspense and impending fear of what's around the corner. Music in the movies can help turn a good film into a great one. Another new easy step by Creative Sound is stock sound effects. Like music, good sound effects can help bring a whole new element to your film. These can be created online, on your computer, or you can purchase them royalty-free. Can't find the right sound effect? Let's get creative. Making your own sounds is fun, easy, and royalty-free. The last step to Creative Sound is panning. And no, I don't mean the type of pan you fry your eggs in. Remember guys, you've got 2 speakers, one on your left and one on your right. So try a new Creative Sound today to enhance your film. And remember, there's no sound without Creative Sound.
Creative sound is all you need. Creative sound, do as you please.
Normal terms and conditions apply. Remember, Creative Sound may not improve your film, but you have to improve your film. But now you know about Creative Sound, you should be fine.